Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, Kelly. So today I want to show you something that I won, and I'm very excited because my daughter Emily has used this before for her anxiety, and I'm just so excited so I could try it and hopefully help with my pain, my anxiety, all the things that this helps. So this is from the Healing Rose team, and they are on Instagram. You can look up the Healing Rose team. I'll put that down below. And they wrote me this lovely little letter in my package. So I'm very excited. And then they gave me, this is what I'm really excited about as well, because I love the stickers. They sent me a couple stickers, which I'm excited. Some magnets. Boy, they really went all out. Look at that. Look how pretty. I'll use this in a probably an art journal page, and then I got a magnet. How exciting. I love their logo, and I got some bubble wrap, which I don't think they realize that that's one of my favorites. And here we go. So I won the some healing chapstick, I guess, lip balm. Chapstick's the brand. Healing lip balms. Let's see what this is. Okay, gotta take my glasses off because I can't see. Should have done that prior. Okay, lip balm. This is CBD lip balm, lemon honey. This has 25 milligrams of CBD, and it is cruelty-free, gluten-free, GMO-free, made with love, paraben-free. I think that says second-party lab tested. Can't read that a little bit. And so, yeah, and it has coconut oil, beeswax, organic coconut oil, organic beeswax, organic mango butter, organic honey, organic distilled lemon oil, non-GMO vitamin E oil, cannabis, sativa, rich CBD hemp oil. You can tell I'm not, although uh, marijuana just got legalized in New Jersey, so I'm very excited, but I'm not hip to all that stuff. All right, this is grapefruit eucalyptus. This is sweet orange. Ooh, I love that one. Now, I don't know, I'm not familiar with what CBD does in your lip balm, but I'll find out. Orange lavender. Will it heal them? Will they make them bigger and juicier? Peppermint rosemary. I bet you my daughter would love that one. And this is coffee bean. Oh, la la. And spearmint. Nice. Let me open. Let me see if I can open. Oh, I love that they're so protected. Like you can't. Girl, am I gonna be able to open it this one? I didn't want to go through the box until I could do a video. Oh, she's trying. She's trying. Well, maybe I'll wait to the end so you guys could see what's in the box without waiting for me to. Nope, didn't do anything. Waiting for. They do have the seal. There we go. That's what it looks like. Oh, it smells so good. I'm a spearmint girl. I'm gonna put it on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Emily says I have a very dry lip, so and a lot of line, so work wonders for me, bud. Oh, that's nice. Okay, do. And then look how nice they wrapped everything. And this is good for mixed media too. This is CBD oil, broad spectrum gold, 2,400 milligrams of CBD. So, our CBD oil is perfect companion for your everyday wellness and self-care routine. Shake well before use. And it has coconut oil, broad spectrum CBD hemp extract, and then it has like you can use a quarter milliliter for 20 milligrams of CBD, and it gives you, the measurements. What do I do with this? Do I see? That's how old I am. Oh, look, and they tell you the batch number and when it expires. Oh, I love that. Like, do I put it just on my tongue, under my tongue, I guess? Hmm. I'm sure that's what it is. Or you guys will let me know down below. So yeah, so I think that's what you do. I'll ask my daughter because I told you I'm so unhip. Ooh, oh, this will help so much. CBD herbal 4-time salve made with mindfully chosen plants, lemon ginger with menthol. Oh, I love that they put the batch number, the extract, and then the date. That's very, I like that. Just as anything that I like to buy, you know. Use a pea-shaped amount on desired area 1 to 3 times a day or as needed. Allow oils to absorb in the skin. Adjust amount and usage based on experience. For best results, use daily as a part of a self-care routine. It's a complex physiological network throughout the entire human body. Compromise. Awesome. Non-psychoactive, 100%. Calendula, and black pepper. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. I can use it on my knee because my knee hurts. Oh, and I got a pin. Cute. Love it. Okay. And I got a great box and more bubble wrap, which I know everybody's like, ew. Who cares about that? Oh, girl, what's this? Oh, CBD herbal extra strength massage and body oil. Oh, oh, I love that. Oh, wow. Massage away stress and tension while moisturizing and replenishing your skin. They are made with, all this is organic, by the way. All of this is certified organic stuff and unrefined oils. So I just want you guys to know that. A single pump of oil and apply to desired area. Adjust amount based on experience. I'm so excited for this because I have, ridiculous, but besides, you know, having RA and fibro and whatnot, I have a lot of problems with my upper back. It's always itchy, and I think it's part of the fibro of that, like feeling that you're always sunburned, but it itches. So I'm really anxious to put this on and use it. And I will let you guys know once I start using these, what happens, like how I like it and that kind of thing. I do enjoy right now the lip balms because they're very moisturizing, and I like the flavor in them. So, or the scent. And really it's just, I mean, and it's all organic. So I think that's great. So yeah, so this is what I won. And this is from the Healing Rose. I will put their link down below for their Instagram. Go check them out. Please tell them Kelly sent you. I would be so appreciative. Even if you don't buy anything, just go check them out. You know, it's a wonderful company. And I spoke with, I believe it's the owner, and just wonderful, wonderful people. And, you know, not just that I won, but I just love companies that are, you know, they talk to people like us. And yeah, so I'm just very happy. I'm very excited, and I wanted to show what I won because this is important for people like us or people like me who have severe chronic pain, chronic illnesses. Even if you get a migraine or, you know, you hurt your ankle or knee or what have you, these will be, you know, good for you to use. So thank you so very much for watching. Please go check them out. And yeah, I have nothing to sell, nothing to paint, nothing to do. I just really was excited for this. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and I will see you in my next video. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. Bye-bye.